Hi, my name is Jennifer, and our group of Felicia, Jesse, and Belanish are presenting the emerging informatics position of Senior EMR Trainer. Needing a senior EMR trainer implies that an organization needs a senior trainer to supervise a staff of EMR trainers. Only large organizations will employ a senior EMR trainer. This person must understand the EMR information system thoroughly to be able to set up a curriculum that meets the needs of the organization. Then, when changes are implemented to the EMR information system, the senior EMR trainer will be in a position to train the staff about changes needing to be implemented into the curriculum so it matches the changes in the EMR information system. Now that the senior EMR trainer knows what the organization requires, the responsibility to know the developmental tools used for creating courses is paramount. The senior trainer also makes sure the training staff knows about the periodic upgrades to the developmental tools when upgrading and designing new courses. For example, does new video technology create better ways to deploy interactive videos? The senior trainer must research what other trainers are using in the industry and employ the new technology when it helps train users better. After the training staff is up to date with the changes needed to update the curriculum, the senior EMR trainer will be responsible for making sure the training is meaningful and will help the organization meet their goals. The assessment questions need to be appropriate and updated when necessary. Support needs to be readily available and timely when a new course is implemented. Make sure manuals are updated and that the support staff are trained in the ability to answer user questions. The senior EMR trainer needs to monitor user correspondence with support staff to make sure the staff is trained properly, not just to answer questions, but to find unknown answers from external sources and in a timely manner. This also increases the ability to answer new questions in support staff troubleshooting software. The main point of a senior EMR trainer is to understand how the EMR interacts with the healthcare information system. To create courses properly, the senior trainer must be knowledgeable about how the information system is used in a hospital setting. What is not shown on this slide to an adequate degree is how the senior trainer needs to know how each department uses the EMR to be able to create the right curriculum for each department. Also, the senior trainer must be kept current to the changes in the EMR information system. The senior EMR trainer must be a well-balanced individual who has skills in working with applications and also possesses interpersonal communication skills. This person must be able to solve both software issues and personal issues, be able to fix applications, or have knowledge of the resources needed to fix applications, and make sure users find the answers they need. This includes questions asked by the education staff. The healthcare industry will continue to grow as the populace ages and lives longer. Merges are now commonplace because healthcare providers need to compete with their competition. This makes the EMR system more complex and the demand for experienced trainers rises. Expect the need for quality senior EMR trainers to grow with industry growth. EMR training will evolve to provide more precise training to match job roles and will revolve around a layered approach to training. The start of this type of system is already being implemented today. For example, taking a pre-assessment test to test out of specific courses would be part of a layered system. But this type of training will go further. Curriculum will become more specialized and more catered to the individual. The top layer of training in a curriculum will be required courses for everyone. As we move down the layers, the training becomes more specialized to the role of a branch of employees in specialty areas. At the bottom layer of the course curriculum, the course will be tailored to a specific employee's role. One note about physicians using the EMR information system is that handwritten notes will disappear completely, and errors from not understanding a physician's handwriting will end. Thus, documentation will become easier to comprehend. Also, using the EMR information system leaves an audit trail. This is good when examining the source of errors and the ability to implement lessons learned. The risk of mistakes decreases as new electronic methods are used and error-checking macros are implemented in the software. In 2017, 96% of hospitals and 86% of physicians' offices in the United States had access to an electronic health record. The electronic health record is an ever-changing piece of technology. Senior EMR trainers are key healthcare workers that work with training multiple departments on implementation and update requirements from the Center for Medicare and Medicaid Services and the Joint Commission. This is the reference page for our presentation. All of the team would like to thank you for listening to our presentation.